Why Stephen Curry is called Chef? This is a very hot topic at our house, so I get the nickname Chef Curry. Drake dropped the first line, Chef Curry with the pot, which is obviously a call to me kind of cooking him up on the court. The real Chef Curry is Ayesha Curry. Borrow the nickname every once in a while when I'm on the court, but she's the real Chef Curry. Why Steph Curry is underrated. Growing up in the game, I was always, the skinniest kid on the court. I was a 3-star recruit. Didn't really get all the major offers. I knew I could play with the best of the best in the country. I knew that even though I was a late bloomer and didn't pass the eye test, that I could excel at the highest level. I just needed the opportunity to showcase my skills, and that underrated mindset is part of my DNA forever. So no matter how many accolades and accomplishments I've had, I still carry that as motivation and inspiration to prove to myself more than anybody that I'm capable of doing, great things on and off the court. That's the underrated mindset. When you told me when I went to Davidson, would I ever have a documentary about this part of my life? I would have been like, what are you talking about? What does that even mean? But now knowing that, all the great things that have happened and everything that was born in that experience that I had those 3 years, it's the perfect title for the origin story of everything that I've been able to accomplish. Why was Stephen Curry drafted so late? Some would say 7 is not so late. 7 out of 60. There were 3 other point guards that were drafted ahead of me, and obviously, over the last 15 years, I've tried to excel at the highest level and make that 7th draft pick status look really, really low. So it's kind of a revisionist history a little bit on that one, but I love the fact that 7 is now seen as way too late.